Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics class. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Good morning, children. In last class, we started chapter 1, the fish tail. In that class, what we learned? We learned how to draw using basic shapes, how to draw a fish. So, what are the basic shapes? What are the basic shapes, ma'am? Rectangle,
Square, circle,
triangle,
heart,
yes,
rectangle,
circle. So these are the main four basic shapes. Okay. So this is the rectangle what we have.
ma'am, oval shape also.
Yes, this is the square what we have. And this is triangle.
Triangle, circle.
So using these four basic shapes, we have to draw some fishes. Also you can use half circle, half,
Ma'am, your screen is not on.
star. Okay. So by using these basic shapes, we can draw a fish. How to draw a fish? Let us see. So now first of all we are using a circle. Okay. Circle. Triangle. This is a triangle.
Daddy, kumto.
Yeah, this is a fish. Okay. So using square and triangle also we can make a fish. This is a fish. Okay, these things we learned in the last class. And we learned some haikus also.
Ma'am, you cannot hear you.
Yes, in last class we saw that some fishermen are going for fishing to sea. How they are going? They are going to onto log boats, motor boats. They are using log boats, motor boats. Some different kind of boats they are using to go for fishing. Okay. So now here you can see these boats. This is motor boat and these are log boats, big machine boats. These are some kinds of boats that fishermen go for fishing into the sea. Yeah, based on that, we will do some problems. Okay, here we have one problem. So what is it? The log boats travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? So let us do the problem. So what is the problem? The
Teacher,
log
2.5
boat.
hour. Teacher, 2.5 hour.
Yes, ma'am. This is the question for us. The log boats travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10
Ma'am, your voice
kilometers?
is not unable
So
to.
here 1 hour, how many kilometers it is going, ma'am?
4 kilometers, ma'am.
4 kilometers in 1 hour. 10 kilometers, how many hours? Okay.
Teacher, 2.5 hour.
Very good, ma'am. Distance. Covered in 1 hour. 4 kilometers. That means in 1 hour, how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. So here what we will do is, we are here another distance is given for us. 4 kilometers, it is traveling in 1 hour. 10 kilometers in how many hours? Then what to do, ma'am? Last year we learned that.
Cross multiplication.
Yes, very good. So
Ma'am, you cannot hear your voice.
Everybody, are you able to hear me, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Then check your
Voice is
internet, ma.
ma'am.
Yeah, now, so we need to find out time taken to cover. Ten kilometers. So what we have to do? 10 kilometers into 1 hour by 4 kilometers. So we can cancel kilometer there. And here 2 times will go. 2 5s are 2 2s are. So 5 into 1. 5 by 2 hours. 5 by 2 means 2.5 hours. So 2 hours 30 minutes it will take. How much time it will take, ma? It will take 2 hours 30 minutes. Therefore, the logboard takes 2 hours 30 minutes.
Ma'am, can you keep both some side? Yes, ma'am. Can you keep both some side? Ma'am, I can't see the board. This sign I can't see the board nicely. Yes, ma'am.
Fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. They are where they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into the net. Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at a speed of about 20 kilometers in sea.
Yeah, read it, ma. Over.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. It is coming black. We can't see the screen. It is so black. I can't see the screen, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now we can see, ma'am.
Is it okay, ma?
Now we can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So, what is the speed, ma? 20 kilometers in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it will travel 20 kilometers. Laina, sit properly. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? Okay, ma, this we will do now. So, what is the speed, ma? Speed of the boat. How in 1 hour, how many kilometers it travels? It travels 20 kilometers. Yes, ma'am. Motor boats travel at a speed of 20 kilometers. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? So in 1 hour, how 20 kilometers in 1 hour.
Ma'am, I can't see the board. Yeah, ma'am. We can't. It's not coming full. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Now. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So in 3.5 hours, how many kilometers? Okay. Distance traveled in 1 hour. How many kilometers, ma'am? 20 kilometers. Now we need to find out distance traveled in 3.5 hours. How much we need to find out? That means in 1 hour it is traveling 20 kilometers. In 3.5 hours, how much? Okay. So here we have fraction. You remember that how to convert mixed fractions into improper fractions and all those things you learned in 4th class. Okay. Here one more simple thing I will say. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it travels, ma'am? 20 kilometers. Okay. In half an hour, how many kilometers?
10, ma'am.
Very good. 10 kilometers. In 3 hours, how many kilometers it travels?
30, ma'am.
30, ma'am.
1 hour 20, 3 hours?
60, ma'am. 60.
3 into
60,
20,
60, ma'am.
60 kilometers. So now what we need? We need how much distance it will travel in 3.5 hours. Distance travel in 3.5 hours. So can we write 3 hours plus half an hour? So in 3 hours, how many kilometers it traveled? 60 kilometers. In half an hour, 10 kilometers, which is nothing but 70 kilometers. This is another way, simple way to do this. So distance traveled in 3.5 hours is 70 kilometers. Okay, children, did you understand how to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? So, we know that 20 kilometers we can travel in 1 hour. Then 85 kilometers, how many hours? So, time taken to go 85 kilometers. 85 is to 1 hour by 20. So, when we simplify that, we will get 4 hours 25 minutes. So, time taken to travel 85 kilometers is 4 hours 25 minutes. Which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kgs of fish. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far it goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. About how much fish in all which each type of boat bring in 7 trips. About how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long it will take? So these all questions we have to answer. Here one table is given for us. Type of boat, catch of fish in one trip. One trip, how much, how many kgs it will bring, it is shown for us. Speed of the boat also in for 1 hour it is shown for us. Log boat catches 20 kg fish in, what is the speed here? 4 km per hour. Long tail boat catches 600 kgs. Motor boat 800 kgs. Machine boat 6000 kgs. Okay, so the speed also given for here, given us for here. So 4 km per 1 hour. Now what we have to do? How much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips? Here we are having for 1 trip. Okay, now we need to find out for 7 trips. Let us do it. These are the details what we have. Here this is, we have type of boat, one trip in kgs. Now we need to find out for 7 trips. One trip it catches 20 kgs. In 7 trips, 7 into 20 kgs. How much, ma'am? 7 20s are 140 kgs. Now, long tail boat catches 600 kgs in one trip. So we need to find out for how many trips?
7 trips, ma'am.
So how to do? What to do? One trip in one trip, 600 kgs. In 7 trips, 7 into 600 kgs. So 0 0 7 6
7 6 42.
4,200 kgs. 4,200 kgs. So these two you do it at home, ma'am. Okay, these two you do it. So motorboat catches 800 kgs. In 7 trips, 7 into 800. Do the multiplication and find the answer. Machine boat in one trip it brings 6,000 kg fish. So in 7 trips, 7 into 6,000. So there we have to write the answer.
42,000.
Those two you have to do it at home as homework.
All right.
Now we need to find out distance covered in 6 hours. So log boat speed is given 4 km per hour. So here one formula is given for us. Distance is equal to speed into time. So this is speed. Time is 6 hours. So log boat covers the distance covered by log boat is 6 km per hour into 6 hours, which is nothing but how much distance, ma? 6 4 6 ja 4 6 ja 24 kilometers.
24, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now long tail boat speed is 12 km per hour. So what is the time here? Within 6 hours, how many kilometers it will travel? So what we have to do? 12 kilometers per hour into 6 hours. So 12 6 yeah. So it travels 72 kilometers in 6 hours. So like that remaining two you do homework. Okay, ma'am? So here the speed is given for us. Here the time is given for us. While calculating the distance, we need to multiply the both speed and time. Or else we can do in one another way. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it is traveling? 4 kilometers. In 1 hour, how many kilometers it is traveling? Distance covered in 1 hour, 4 kilometers. Distance covered in 6 hours, how much? So 6 hours into 4 kilometers by 1 hour. Okay, so which is nothing but 16 kilometers. 6 hours, na? Yes, 6 hours. So it is 6,024 kilometers. For each and everyone, we can do like that also. For 1 kilometer, it is traveling 1 hour. It is traveling 4 kilometers distance. In 6 hours, how many kilometers? 6 into 4 by 1. So same method you can apply for all those things. Yes, ma'am. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? So from the table, what we can say? Long tail boat travels at a speed of long tail boat travels at a speed of how many kilometers, ma'am? 12 kilometers per hour. So here 12 kilometers it is traveling in 1 hour. 60 kilometers how many hours? In 5 hours, the long tail bird travels 60 kilometers. Did you understand, children? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, message me. I will clarify your doubt and I will send the classwork and homework to you. Complete the work on time and send it. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class with another topic.